Hello, wonderful people! Welcome back to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. I'm making this series to make your life as a new mod or small streamer easier. In this video, I'm going to cover how to unban someone. If this video helps you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. Also, feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see covered in a later video. Please note that I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. If that's something you'd like to see later on, let me know down in the comments. So, the wrong person got banned in chat. Now, obviously this is a mistake that you would never make, but let's say another member of your mod team messed up and they banned the wrong person. How do you clean up their mess? Well, there are several ways you can go about unbanning someone. The first is, hey, wait a second, there's nothing for me to click on in chat, it's just gone. Well, we can fix that. You click on the gear icon down below the chat window and go to the deleted messages option and choose any of the options other than brief. You'll be able to see the detailed messages in chat. This will give you a few more options to quickly unban someone. Now that we have that changed, you can left click on the person's name and then click on the unban button that has replaced the ban button that was shown in the previous video. You can also use the mod icons. To recap the last video, to get the mod icons to show, click on the gear below the chat and make sure you've selected Show Mod Icons. The one on the far left will be the unban button, which is again replaced the ban button. You want to be careful using these buttons because if chat's moving fast and the message moves as you're trying to click on it, you can end up accidentally banning someone else. I go into detail on how to pause chat and avoid this in my previous video on how to ban. Another way to unban someone is to type /unban into the chat box followed by their username. A quick way to do this is just to tag them, since you can just type the beginning of their username and Twitch will want to autofill the rest of it. Once you have it selected, just hit tab to fill in the rest of the name before you hit enter. Keep in mind that this command will also remove a timeout. You can also unban from mod view. To get to mod view, click on the sword icon under the chat window. Once there, click on the person's username to bring up the account info panel, and then click the big unban button. From that same window, you can pop out their user info panel. You can also pop this out from the user info panel when you're not in mod view, and you can press the unban button from there. And finally, someone who's been banned can submit an unban request, which you can find in mod view. To unban them from here, click on their unban request, and then click the unban button. You can type any notes that you want to send to the user, and then click Send Unban Decision. Note that the user will only get one chance at an unban request, so if you deny it, they won't be able to send another. If you approve it and then they get banned again, they will be able to send another one. I hope this guide helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, let me know in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I've started streaming too. There's a link to my channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community there, and I would love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.